In this video, I will show you how to export a Napkin AI visual as a PowerPoint slide. To begin, I'll go to my library in the top left to find the napkin I want to work with. I'm selecting the content optimization workflow, and once it loads, I'll close the sidebar and scroll down to the visual I want to export. I'll click the export icon on the right and select Export Visual. In the pop-up, I'll choose the PPT format. I have the option to toggle the color mode and background to fit my presentation's theme. Once it's ready, I'll click Download and wait for the file to process. Now that the download is complete, I'll open the PowerPoint file. After it opens, I'll click Enable Editing at the top so I can make changes. As you can see, the visual is fully interactive. I can click on any text element, change the font to Calibri, and adjust the text size as needed. This makes it incredibly easy to customize your visuals right inside your slides. And there you have it. That's the complete process of exporting a Napkin AI visual as a PowerPoint.